Hi everyone, I'm in Parliament Square, just about to join this protest you see in front of me. Let me give you a quick 360. Okay, so I've just been around that building there, Palace of Westminster, spraying my Glastonbury Chalice Well Heart Chakra spray, connecting that with the Earth Star Chakra in London. And you know, the energy feels good despite the fear, despite everything that keeps coming out in the news, which has just been over the top this week. To me, it still feels light and the energy feels high and kind of sparkly. And I think a lot of that's the Gemini full moon tomorrow morning. I think it's about 4:30. So it feels light. It feels like more people are in the higher vibrations of love, joy and peace. So despite what they're trying to put across in the news, the heaviness of it just isn't there. I'm not feeling it. The vibration of this Gemini moon and what more and more people are moving into is high enough that the lower energies of fear and anger just can't reach it and pull it down. So my hopes for today and moving forwards are that everyone here is protected. I'll have my spray with me and I'm going to spray it continuously throughout the protest. Also that we learn the lessons that we need to learn from this experience and carry them into the future with us. I ask that more and more people see the truth and vibrate in love, joy and peace. Less people in fear, and that freedom is restored and justice is done. Okay, so I'm going to join this march now, talk to you all later and hopefully bring you a bit more footage from the day. Bye-bye.